Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into top-rated products to help you make smarter choices. Today, we're checking out what is hands down the best classical guitar nylon string set you can buy, the Ernie Ball 2409 Ernesto Palla Nylon Black and Gold Classical Ball End set. Let's get right into it. At first glance, the packaging might not scream premium, but don't let that fool you. Inside, you're getting a set of strings that have been developed with craftsmanship, precision, and tone in mind. This is Ernie Ball's tribute to classical guitarists, with a name that honors Ernesto Palla, a renowned Spanish classical guitar maker. Now, why are these strings considered the best in their category? The magic starts with the material. The treble strings are made from high-quality black nylon, while the bass strings are wound with 80/20 bronze. That bronze component brings out a brighter, more articulate tone, something that's immediately noticeable when you pluck those lower strings. The contrast between the warmth of the nylon and the brilliance of the bronze gives your playing a dynamic range that really stands out, whether you're finger-picking soft passages or strumming with confidence. These are medium tension strings, which means they're right in that sweet spot, not too tight, not too loose. If you're someone who values expressiveness but also wants to maintain control, this set fits the bill. They're responsive under the fingers, but you won't be fighting to keep your tuning stable, which is something classical players can really appreciate. And here's a feature you might not expect but will definitely love: ball ends. Yes, ball ends on classical guitar strings. Most classical sets are tie-on, and if you've ever had to thread and knot those strings at the bridge, you know what a hassle it can be. With this set, the ball ends make installation super quick and hassle-free. Just slot them into your bridge like you would on a steel string acoustic, and you're ready to go. No need to waste time or risk poor knots slipping. This is a huge convenience, especially for beginners or anyone who does regular string changes. This well-balanced spread provides smooth transitions between strings, which helps make complex passages feel more fluid. And the black and gold look, it's subtle but classy. When strung up, the visual contrast adds just a touch of flair without being flashy. In terms of pricing, you're looking at around $10, plus shipping if you're outside the US. For what you get, outstanding tone, reliable tension, easy installation, it's an excellent deal. If you're a classical guitarist, beginner, student, or even an experienced player looking for reliable, consistent strings that sound rich and bright, this is for you. If you gig, teach, or just want your nylon string guitar to play beautifully without breaking the bank or wasting time tying knots, this set should be on your shortlist. To wrap it up, the Ernie Ball 2409 Ernesto Palla set combines great tone, ease of use, and reliable construction. It deserves its place at the top, and that's why we're calling it the best classical nylon string set you can get. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss our next review. Got a product you want us to test? Drop it in the comments below. Until next time, keep strumming.